Just take on the high, pop your skull and your tires. What you're afraid of, and everything in your fiber. I feel you like tongue, good pussy to my gun. Yeah,
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Champaign County until 9:45 a.m. At 9 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles west of Champaign, or 12 miles east of Clinton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Champaign and Urbana. Expected hazards include 90 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Boneville, Monticello, Philo, Savoy, Urbana, Mahomet, Willard Airport, Champaign, Galesville, Lodge, Seymour, Whiteheath, Telono, and Lake of the Woods.
I